Attention, léger message d'annonce avant de commencer la vidéo, sachez que la vidéo que vous allez voir est un replay d'un live qu'on a fait jeudi dernier sur le jeu Dispatch. C'est un let's play, c'est-à-dire que c'est la vidéo, la captation directe de mon live Twitch. Vous aurez donc les 4 premiers épisodes qu'on a fait la semaine dernière. Et si vous voulez voir la suite le plus tôt possible, n'hésitez pas à me rejoindre sur Twitch toute la semaine, du lundi au vendredi, matin et après-midi. Et là, je vous souhaite une bonne vidéo et à très vite sur Twitch. Let's go! Mon but étant de taper Phénoménal, le moustachu là, m'a parlé quand même mal. J'aime pas trop quand on parle comme ça. Allez, c'est parti. On est reparti. Oula, attention. Micro. Allez. Doucement.
Whoa, hey, what are you doing?
Brother, your warranty already void.
How can you just toss it around like that?
No worries, I'm pretty strong.
That's not what I'm saying.
How you got this thing inside your apartment anyways? Oh, super heavy, the bugger.
I disassembled it and took it in little pieces, which is what I thought you'd be doing.
And how long did that take you?
3 or... No, it was 4 days.
I get 20 minutes.
It just feels like you could be a little gentler with it. It is, you know, my whole fucking life.
Every time I walk in this place, I get sad. That not happen to you? No one ever tell you that? Or no one never
Je suis
come
pauvre.
over to tell you that?
I'm poor, Royd. Is that what you want to hear? Does that make you feel good?
Yeah, bro, you're not poor if you can keep this suit going. Like, where you sleep?
We're figuring that out.
You're figuring that out, huh? Shoot, even the beef got a bed.
Mais il mérite.
This the type of apartment you see when the detective kicked the door in, you know? Shine the flashlight, serial killer shit.
All right, I get it. Can we focus on...
Where the Astro Pulse at?
Lost in the blast while I was flying. No clue where it landed. I spent a couple weeks after it happened trying to track it down.
It powered the whole suit.
Yeah, it's the only piece of the suit my dad didn't have schematics for. That gonna be a problem?
Ah, mine not. We figure them out.
How'd you know about the Astropulse?
Oh, brother, everybody know about the Pulse. There's actually 2 wicked pieces of tech, huh? First you get the Astro Pulse, this genius design energy cell. But inside them, you get the stellar core.
Can I help?
No, brother, you good. What's crazy is when you mix the control fusion reactions with the plasma containment.
Le chien.
Oh, brother, you got a core one super crazy energized
Biche
plasma
le
state.
chien.
Unreal stuffs. Like you caught one small star and chop them in a bottle. Genius.
So you can just make me a new one, right? Which is why it's not a problem.
The Astropulse super awesome, but we'll be all right. Whew. Man, maybe we go for lighter metals this time, huh? You know, I actually met your dad one time, long time ago. First time I come mainland. He'll catch me trying to steal stuff from Radio Shack. Then we talk tech stuff for like a whole hour. Then he would take me to jail. That's how I ended up in a Phoenix program.
That's longer than any conversation I ever had with him.
Bummers.
Guess when you're building Astropulses, there's not much time for talking to your son.
Not so sure about that.
I don't understand.
You see, there's gearheads, then there's science nerds. One kind garage, the other kind lab, you know. Your father one good gearhead, but I just can't see how he'll make something like the Pulse. You know, science nerd.
How would you know this from talking to him once?
Cause I'm both. True, I'm the one gonna fix your suit.
Waouh. C'est cool. Waouh. C'est Jarvis.
That one, over there, that's your father's suit.
Mélange entre Hulk et Jarvis.
We gonna make this one the Robert suit.
This is incredible, Royd.
Oh,
I hope you like
oh la
it, brother.
papette.
Royd, I don't know what to say. Thank you. Thank you is what I need to say. This is unreal.
We make the man Mecca again.
Trop bien. Là, je veux bien faire le check, parce qu'on est propre. Ah ouais. Oh, une armure pro bif, t'imagines. Avec un petit casque avec ses petites oreilles, là. Oh. Oh non. Oh, je me mets fond d'écran.
Think he did that on purpose.
Oh, il va être avec nous. Génial. Regarde-moi ça. Adorable petit chien.
Hey, Chase, I need a favor.
Favor? It's not enough of a favor getting you this job working with those stupid ass pieces of. Oh, who's this, huh? Who's this little guy?
His name's Beef, and he's the favor. You mind keeping an eye out? I feel bad leaving him at home, but I don't want anything happening to him.
Robert, I would literally let everyone here melt in eternal hell, including you, before anything happens to this dog.
Ouais, carrément.
What's your name, little guy?
Oh.
My name's Beef and I'm naked. Oh, no, I refuse to believe that's what he sounds like. Robert, you got a sec?
Sure, yeah.
Mais sors avec nous, on a un chien. Franchement, tellement mieux qu'une moustache en vrai. Regarde-moi ça, bébé.
What's up?
About the other day.
Ouais, faut faire l'armure pour le chien, je pense en vrai.
Oh,
Hein.
yeah.
C'est important.
How's dinner?
C'est pour la sécurité
It was
nationale. Hein.
awkward. It's why I didn't want you to come. Phenomenon and I broke up.
Over Tokyo Dream Sushi?
Yeah, it's just the.
Cause du chien.
timing felt right.
Le chien l'a largué instant.
Sometimes you just gotta shake shit up. It felt a little impulsive, but maybe it was a long time coming.
Well, are you happy?
I don't know. I don't think I know yet. It is what it is. But that's actually not what I wanted to talk to you about. I was thinking about it over the weekend, and I'm going to cut someone from the Z team. Or you are, rather.
Quoi?
Maybe I'm just looking to shake things up all over the place. Create a sense of urgency.
You sure about that?
Well, less sure now. You think it's a bad idea?
Non, envers
I'm just not
personne.
sure how it'll play out.
The reality is, cutting someone towards the bottom of the leaderboards will show everyone we're serious.
Ah, je suis pas sûre de cette politique-là, moi. Hein.
Oh, I already did.
I suppose it'll be an interesting shift.
Évidemment qu'ils allaient la mettre là.
She ain't bad. Those three ain't shit.
Did you come over here to tell me that? Because it's almost exactly the
Comment ça,
information
Sonneur, il est
I'm looking for.
avant-dernier?
Actually, smart ass, I came over to tell you that one of your team members is in need of assistance.
Sonar, you alright? Why are you sending a distress call when you haven't left the building?
Pourquoi il l'a accroché?
Send a locksmith downstairs.
What happened?
Coop seduced me.
No. I said, hey, want to say something cool, and then handcuffed you to a squat rack.
But you said it with a hot voice, so I assumed you meant boobs.
Okay, team, I know Blazer mentioned someone's getting cut, but don't let that distract you from doing a good job out there. That's what you'll be judged on.
What a bunch of bullshit.
Sorry, what's bullshit?
Judgy bullshit.
How is that?
Yeah, only God can judge me.
Okay, false.
Oh,
I'm
l'insup.
judging you right now.
Bullshit, because it's not like you got to deal with this kind of bullshit.
Also false. Of course I'm being judged along with the rest of you. Do you not know what a job is? What the hell is going
None
on?
of us have had real jobs, dude. How is this a surprise to you?
All right, fine. Just ignore the pressure and do your jobs. You don't need to be first. You just can't be last.
What about me?
Can somebody go down to the gym and help Batboner?
Pas de branleur.
Don't ask.
Losing feeling in my hand, and not in a fun, kinky way.
Bah ouais, mais du coup, ils m'ont viré Sonneur, ça va pas? Il y a une attacation entre mon équipe et un monstre. Il reste partie de son corps sur place. Forte présence médiatique et civile. Dès qu'il y a des gens, quoi. Retirer les bouts de corps. Putain, parce que là... Là, je vois pas du tout... de la vigueur, je pense, en vrai. Mais il y a des gens. Il faut mettre 2 personnes charismatiques, je pense, pour que ça aille, je pense, non? Hmm. Euh...
Don't worry, baby. I'm here to help.
Bah, je l'ai pas mis dessus?
I'm going.
J'ai pas compris. J'ai pas compris ce qui vient de se passer là. Pourquoi il fait la tronche? Bon bah écoutez, ok. J'ai pas compris, mais c'est pas grave.
Oh God.
Sabotage.
Send me fucking coffee down for 2 fucking seconds.
Ah, il voulait absolument y aller lui?
Taking a shit.
Force l'évacuation. Force l'évacuation.
I did unspeakable things in that alley.
C'est pas grave.
Uh-huh. You know, this
Par
is
contre, lui, il
really
s'est mis tout seul
fucking
là.
immature, guys.
Serves them right. You let your guard down, you perish.
That's a pretty fucked way to live.
Emphasis on live.
Oh my god. You do realize that sabotaging each other isn't going to guarantee you a spot on the team, right? Fucking idiots.
Tu l'as chié partout. Super. Super. Ok. Il y a un trafic de drogue en cours à l'aéroport de Torrance. Vous devrez envoyer la chauve-souris.
He seems right for the job.
Qui connaît bien les drogues.
Swift as the night.
On va être les deux là.
Sharp as my knife. Excellent choice, Robert. And might I add, your face is looking
Oh, qu'est-ce qu'il a?
stabbable today.
I'd be impressed by this if I wasn't in ever-increasing pain.
Remonte jusqu'à la
Grab him
source.
that hybrid, he can figure it out himself.
A children's toy? It's actually pretty brilliant, damn.
Mais non, il faut qu'il...
Turtle fans.
Des fans de tortues sont arrivés et renversent sa grille. Déclenche une bagarre. Il cache pas dedans. Interrompt une bagarre entre fans. C'est parfait lui.
Consider it done. Right. What's a guy gotta do to rise up the ranks around here?
Oh putain.
Trying to waste my day. What's going on here? Nobody sabotages me except me.
Courpif a enfermé Flambeau dans le caisson. Expose la porte comme ton esprit. Expose la porte.
Said that if he wanted a spa break, I'd make sure no one bothered him. Which I did.
Ouais.
Blasted, you say? Don't have to tell me twice.
Et ma mamie vient de faire larquer par quelqu'un qui disait travailler pour vous. Ah! Parler à une victime.
Yeah, okay.
Would everybody please stay in your lanes?
C'est bon.
Didn't think you'd pull that off. We followed the drug traffickers
On a
to
suivi
their
les dealers
base near
jusqu'à
the
leur
refinery.
base près de la raffinerie. Passer l'offensive, frapper la base, apporter une bonne feinte de frappe. Ok, donc faut taper là. Ah, ils sont tous partis? Attends. Faut attendre qu'ils reviennent.
I didn't know dogs could be so huge and menacing.
Man, that's the meanest animal I've ever met.
Hop. Sois pote avec le chien. Allez, s'il vous plaît. Merde, ça marche pas. Mais non, mais faut pote avec le chien. Oh là là. Quel enfer.
Sure, your call.
Putain. Bon. Il manque des gens, hélas.
I'm on a
Nickel.
Okay, I know y'all saw that. Don't be jealous, it's okay.
Ok, qui c'est qui a un point de dispo là? Lui... Allez, vigueur. Hop. C'est bon.
Don't be intimidated. It's just business.
Bah ça passe là, tout se passe bien.
Half man, half bat.
Ah, il est vénère, c'est vrai. Allez, tous énervés. Vous avez quelqu'un qui peut arrêter un glissement de terrain.
Stand aside.
As hot and threatening as that sounds.
Là, je voulais
Not
changer de
going
place.
anywhere. We're tied for the bottom. With fucking Invisigal.
Not for long.
Je peux pas aller changer de place? Bon bah, écoutez, si vous placez vous-même,
Excellent
ils
choice.
choisissent eux-mêmes où ils vont, j'arrive moi. Sonia m'a poussé dans la piscine pour le cours de l'aquagym. Il veut pas me laisser partir, je déteste l'eau et les vieux.
Worth it. Next time, don't promise a man boobs.
No one promised
Faites
you
de crawler
anything.
pour t'éloigner, éclabousseler et tire-toi. Éclabousseler, tire-toi. Ça me fait rire. C'était pas la bonne solution, mais c'est drôle. Non, ça passera pas, hélas. Oh, c'est dommage, c'était marrant.
I feel pruny. I hate pruny.
C'est pas grave. La bagarre dans le match s'est transformée en chasse à la mascotte. Je peux pas leur échapper définitivement. Ok, on va protéger. Hop. Quelqu'un qui court vite aussi. Faut pas de gens qui ressemblent à des mascottes.
What happened?
She's fine. Just walked into my sword with her face.
Putain, elle a tapé qui là?
I don't believe in punching women,
Merde, j'ai loupé.
but I do believe in punching demons.
Yeah, try it.
Ça c'est parce qu'il est, il est en chauve-souris là.
Hey, so like my friend's
Le copain de ma
boyfriend
pote se vantait de se faire passer pour arnaquer les gens. Pourquoi je comprends pas? Il est censé avoir... Attends. Il n'y a pas de choix normalement? Ok, faut quelqu'un intelligent. J'ai des cons évidemment. Donc c'est super. On veut qu'ils se rendent en paix, pas de combat.
You are about to feel so much better. And so am I.
Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
Oh, that looks bad. Can I have it?
Ah, elle soigne les héros. Ok, intéressant. Ok. Un cyber-train Vanco va percuter un wagon à l'arrêt dans quelques minutes. Arrêtez le train avant le choc.
You look, different.
Better?
Ok. Alors attends, parce que là je suis pas sûre de moi. Arrêter le train avant le choc, sans... ouais, ça va être compliqué hein.
Don't disappear on me.
Je suis pas sûre. Hein.
Fine.
Man, they made it look so fucking effortless, though.
Ok, c'est bon.
Watch me burn.
On peut avoir un petit coup de main. Le parking est plein. Ça a pas bougé depuis genre 1 heure. Mais qu'est-ce que tu lances? Vas-y toute seule. Hein. C'est bon.
Ooh, okay, I see you. Picking from the cream of the crop.
Elle parle comme ça, c'est sûr. Elle se l'est. Bon alors. Oula.
Well, it wasn't our guy, but we at least put a stalker away, so I'll call that a success.
Ouf. Putain, c'est juste.
I mean, that could have gone a
Ouais,
lot
c'était
worse.
juste, hein.
Burglar spotted, headed towards
Comme
the
le
alley.
repérer, il se dirige vers la ruelle.
I'll handle this.
Bah vas-y, écoute.
Stay out of my way. Fuck off.
What are you doing in
Oh
Busy
no!
Gal?
Not getting cut?
It's like you said, the way to win this leaderboard
Board game is to not lose, right?
Yeah, that's not what I said.
Qu'est-ce qu'elle fait?
That's what you said.
Oh! Bon, en vrai, non, mais ah ouais, elle sabote ses collègues, quoi. C'est pas cool, hein. Ok. Je vais encore devoir faire de la merde, je le sens.
Yeah, so the perp that just ran by was lightning struck. This is now the second time that you let him get away.
No shit. That's crazy.
Chill out.
En même temps,
I'd normally say cut her, but the way things are going, I'd cut the whole damn team. You need a reset, Robbie.
All Z team back to base and in the conference room in 20 minutes.
ça va pas cette histoire, hein. Quoi? Pourquoi? C'est pas ma faute, ça, hein. Pas ma faute s'il se tape dessus.
Anyone else think this is a waste of time?
Yeah, I know.
What are we doing? What's about disappointing?
Rather be somewhere else.
I had 1,000 better things to do. There is so much more to do.
I was about to hit the gym to give Teresa a suit workout.
Can everybody take a seat so we can get started?
And I'm missing it because of this bird and shears.
Hey, can I get your attention, please? I would like to get started. So
Oh, looks like this motherfucker got the power to fly.
Oh, Bobby boy! Watch where you're going, huh?
Oh, serves you right.
Hey. I understand you're big, but you need to be considerate of the people around you.
Ouais, je pensais pas que lui donner une chaise, ça voulait dire lui.
I'll sit on the floor.
Suit yourself.
Après, il y peut rien, lui, il a rien fait de mal en vrai.
What's going on?
Oh, I offered him a seat.
Oh, le chien. Franchement, s'il y a bif, je pense que personne peut se taper dessus, hein.
So we getting this party started?
Yeah, what's this shit about? Let's go. Come on. Fucking wasting my time. Let's go.
Okay, as you know, by the end of today, one of you will be cut from the Z team.
Puis ça reste de taper dessus, hein.
Bullshit.
Yeah, you said that already.
Cut me from a job I didn't want in the first place.
Miss Blazer, maybe if you gave us a dispatcher who knew what they were doing, you wouldn't have to throw no one out.
Hey, Nikki Mirage, I'm standing right here. You can talk to me.
C'est
I
bon.
wasn't talking to you, bitch. Which weak-ass superhero team did you come from? Fucking Geek Squad?
Doesn't matter where I'm from, Cardi C. What matters is I'm here to figure out who stays and who goes.
Yeah, chill out, lady. Ha ha. Let the man talk.
You talking shit, you hipster motherfucker? Over here looking like Mumford fucked all his sons.
That was funny. See? We're just busting balls.
Keep talking. You won't have your tiny inbred balls left to bust.
Ask next time, or there won't be a next time.
Don't threaten me, you butter knife bitch!
Okay, I'll make this quick.
Ils sont fatigants, les. C'est vraiment des enfants,
Most
les
people
gros bébés là.
will look around this room and see a bunch of villains.
Alors vous allez tous vous faire un bisou, voilà. Vous allez arrêtez de vous tirer dans les pattes.
Vanilla fucking villains. But that's not what I see. Because lucky for you, I'm not most people. When I look around this room, what I see is potential.
Got there in the end.
Unfortunately for you, it's a curse. Because there isn't a thing in the universe that goes more wasted than potential. And despite how common it is, no one seems to forget. It's what they whisper when you leave the room. Oh, so-and-so had so much potential. It follows you forever. I'm here to help you lift the curse of potential by getting you to fucking do something with it. You're all part of the Phoenix program. Any of you know what a Phoenix is?
Ooh, city in Arizona.
Yeah, the sweltering ball sack of America.
Ok, ils sont cons.
Then Louisiana's got to be the ball sack. Just, position.
The Phoenix,
Sorry.
according to legend, is a beautiful bird of prey that was so tired of its immortality it tricked the sun god into dropping a spark on its nest to set it ablaze, burning it to shit. But instead of dying, the Phoenix emerged from ash, reborn. All of you in this room are Phoenixes, and it's obvious what that means. But for you dumb ones, I'll spell it out. The Phoenix symbolizes redemption. It's what you're here for. It's what connects everyone in this room. To burn up who you were, to become who you were meant to be.
Phoenix is also a lame-ass band my lame-ass roommate listens to.
You're late.
I like that.
You would. What are you talking about? I was here the whole time. I turned invisible, genius, remember?
Great. Then you know we're cutting someone, and you, Miss Hot Topic Sale, are at the bottom of the leaderboards. Have a better second shift.
Fuck, I need this job.
On va vraiment devoir virer quelqu'un là? Je suis pas chaud, hein, moi. Je virerai personne, ouais. Je virerai son cum là. Il nous fait chier, le moustachu là. Ça va partir, ça. Je vous le dis. Et Twinkie! C'est reparti pour un tour. Allez hop. Alors.
Speech back there, Robert.
Thanks.
All right, everyone, you heard the man. Get out there and do some stellar dispatching. You got this. My client.
Mon client a besoin d'une protection pendant qu'il fait ses courses.
I remember this man, and he's right to be paranoid. Secret police hired me 3 years ago to kill him.
Ok, donc il faut quelqu'un qui soit bon castagne.
Oh, this is perfect. My knives could use the fresh air. How thoughtful of you.
J'en prie. Ah, j'ai pas vu mes points de compétences. Elle a un point, elle? Elle a un point. Tac. Tac. Hop. Voilà. J'ai beaucoup de conduire et tout. On va mettre combat là, tac. Mobilité. Voilà. Nickel.
Hey, busy. I just got Robert's joke.
What joke?
Offered me a seat. I just got it.
Ah bah c'est bien, le tard que j'avais hein.
Bro, that was like 3 hours ago.
Oh non!
Well, I didn't think today could be worse than Friday, but here we are.
Ça me saoule là! Une connasse vient de me passer devant un concert YouTube. Ça fait 12 heures que j'attends, mais on s'en fout putain. Ok, il faut des gens qui parlent bien.
Basic, fat bitch. You've got super hearing and you use it to listen to a girl who knows 4 chords and can't write a song to save her life.
Say what you want. It's catchy.
Unbelievable.
Franchement, j'ai loupé la première mission, j'ai pas eu de peau.
What kind of music you got in your heavy rotation right now?
You know, honestly, it's a lot of ska, but I had like a really big techno yodeling phase.
Perturbation, qu'est-ce qui se passe? Il ne reste que la sortie des couteaux, plusieurs couteaux en fait.
Depends. Do you like the sensation of your ears bleeding?
Nah, I'm good.
All right, all for me. My tail's wagging, I swear.
Fait, je laisse faire sa star. Une sorte de secte recrute devant mon magasin, ils font peur à tout le monde. Identifier les objectifs au recrutement de la secte. Leur dire de partir immédiatement. Et pourquoi elle veut pas y aller? Oh là là, elle est mauvaise heure.
Graceful, but deadly.
Un cinglé a tenu sortie sont clairement une secte qui recrute activement. Quelle est la meilleure approche? Libère leurs esprits.
me to out-talk cultists. Bro, this shit is so easy I could do it in my sleep.
Ah, j'adore.
Besides, higher consciousness is a key pillar of my 13-part online course.
Pourquoi elle est en rouge, elle? C'est-à-dire quoi ça? Parce qu'elle a loupé sa mission, c'est pour ça? Il y a un groupe de gars au sous-sol du Giga Burger du club de combat, le Fight Club. Arrêtez les combats, anticiper la résistance des membres. Toi, tu vas y aller déjà? Elle va pas y aller, elle va me saouler encore. Allez.
Whatever you say, boss. I still think this is a waste of time.
Mon client a besoin de protection lors de déjeuner avec le gouverneur de Californie. Oh putain.
They couldn't pay, so I canceled the job. No cash, no kill. So far, SDN's always paid on time.
Je pense qu'elle va peut-être nous faire des dingueries.
I will kill or protect
Mais
as
bon.
they see fit.
I thought they didn't let us kill people around here.
As they
Oh, tout le monde revient là.
fit.
Bon, j'espère que je l'ai pas trop loupé. Ah non, j'ai cru que c'était le contraire. Oh, c'est quoi les petits points là? Ça veut dire quoi ça?
Word on the street is the tourney just
Nickel.
relocated. Cope would know where.
I'm on it.
Où tu vas comme ça, toi?
I've learned from my sources that the next tournament will be held at the refinery.
D'accord.
1 hour.
That's some bullshit.
Interrompre le tournoi ou participer au tournoi. Ah ouais, chaud. Il va se taper. C'est ça que j'aurais dû faire tout à l'heure en fait. Mais comme il était en mode de chauve-souris vénère, l'autre j'ai pas trop...
Let's learn to fly. Well, officially, legally. Your flight-capable heroes need a flight license.
Hein? Vos héros capables de voler ont besoin d'une licence de pilote?
Make that latte to go.
Vas-y. Hein. On va apprendre à voler.
Ooh, you think the SDN can be bribed? Maybe this whole leaderboard thing goes away.
Non.
Bribes? Doubtful. But how do you think they feel about menacing threats?
No.
Desperate fucks.
What?
This is our 25th time being paired together.
Yeah, but who's counting?
Mon client a besoin d'une protection. Cela a ajouté de Torrance. Protéger le client, opposer toute attaque.
Fanging it. On it.
C'est bon, t'as ton liste? Ouais. Vol vers l'endroit émission réduisant grandement le temps de trajet. Il peut également transporter les héros au sol, ça c'est cool. Nickel. Si SDH n'est pas d'accord avec moi vis-à-vis d'avenir, il sert envoie notre adresse. Il revient quand la chauve-souris là? Non mais il faut que j'envoie qui?
Send someone else.
Ok, donc elle veut pas y aller.
Guess what?
Easy enough.
Je sais pas. Je crois que c'est pas les bons, mais j'avais pas grand choix là.
Hold the fuck up. Punch. You and Coop took
Ah, trop bien.
Oh, back in the day, our personal best was 14. 14 guys.
Stylé.
What the fuck? Ow.
Punch-Up's got a special technique. Real classy stuff. Maybe if you ask nice, I'll tell you about it.
Protège le client.
My lips are sealed.
Ta mission c'est de protéger le client, je te rappelle. Bah non.
Fuck all of this shit.
Yo, Flambe.
Bah,
About your position at the top of the leaderboard.
Don't be jealous.
I took a little peek at your file. Apparently you've contained more fires than anyone else on the team.
I'm like a psychic, man. I can sense
Ah, elle veut pas y aller, hein.
before they happen.
Listen, there's a lot of potential here for a good
Bah attends,
housing insurance
personne n'est
scheme.
rentré pour l'instant. On va attendre qu'il rentre.
I could be your guy.
Ah, interesting. You know, if I'm ever in the market for a rat with
Coup de foudre repéré, les urgents dans la rue. Tu vas y aller? Tu vas y aller aussi? Ils sont que deux, ça va être compliqué, hein.
Yeah, tell whatever fucking loser that needs us that I'm on my way.
Ah, c'est mort. Oh, ça passe. Juste, mais ça passe.
ready, set, fire.
Attends, je vais remettre qui... Voilà, rentrez tous là, vite, 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 vite. Ah là, je suis à la banque et il y a des gars cagoulés et armés. Putain, elle est blessée. Voilà, comme ça va l'aider. Allez, c'est parti. Putain, mais j'ai personne à envoyer. Merde.
Well, at least it can't get any worse, right?
Oh là là là. Wow!
I'm stacking mad dubs today, baby.
Trop bien. Super.
Huh. Pretty breathtaking work back there.
Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. This shit is weird. It's like we're working.
C'est quoi?
What's the word?
Oh! Oh!
Baby, that's got a name. It's teamwork.
Isn't that like a sex thing?
What type of sex thing would that be?
It's not really safe for work, you know. I'll text it to you. One sec.
Oh, damn, boy. That's some fucking teamwork, all right?
Invisiga, where are you going?
Il faut qu'on fasse de la merde, elle, je le sens. Elle est un peu émo. Elle est là, elle est toute seule dans un parc, et puis elle fume sa clope.
There you go. One more strike against me. You gotta get rid of somebody, right? I'm making it easy for you.
Oh, elle fait ça exprès.
You're quitting. You're not making it easy for me. You're making it easy for you.
You don't get it. Some people are born to be heroes. I'm not one of them. I tried. Just wasn't meant to be.
Meant to be? What are you talking about?
Blazer, Phenomena Man, they have hero powers. Strong out there for all to see.
Flying through the sky. Nothing to hide.
What's your point?
I have fucking villain powers. I can turn invisible and skulk in the shadows. My powers let me steal shit and watch famous people fuck. Being a villain is my fate. It's in the fucking stars. In the same way that blonde Blazer was always meant to be a hero.
There's no such thing as fate. It's bullshit. It's just something we cling to because we think we're the main character of life. We're not.
We're a bunch of flesh blobs with depression on a floating rock.
Is that supposed to be comforting?
C'est vrai que...
Because no one's paying attention if you want to switch things up.
You've already been a hero, okay? You have no idea what I'm dealing with.
Oh, get out of here. At least you were born with powers. I don't have shit. So according to your dumbass theory, I should be an accountant.
C'est vrai.
You aren't far off.
Fate, destiny, not having powers, seasonal depression, none of these things kept me
From being a hero before. And they won't keep me from being a hero again.
Allez, ça commence.
Oh my god. You want to talk about fate?
That lightning-struck fuck that's been on a spree is 2 blocks from your location. Maybe the 3rd time's the charm.
I told you. I'm out.
You really want to let this idiot get one over on you a 3rd time?
What makes you think it'd be any different? You're pissed. I get it. You know what I like to do when I'm pissed? Punch things.
Oh.
Often, bad people.
I do like to punch things.
I know, you're great at it. Go be great one more time.
Or are you just gonna sit there and subject kids to secondhand smoke?
Don't do it. Don't fucking give that kid a cigarette.
She's the one I bummed it from. What's the address?
Shut the fuck up!
You ain't worried about a hero crashing the party?
Load that up. Where's your boy? Shit. That you, donut girl. You sure you want to do this again?
Invisigal, are you alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. Just help me find this fucker.
Elle est pas invisible là. Hein.
Got him. He's at your 5 o'clock.
It's not fair that you can see me, but I can't see you.
I'm flying blind here. I can't see anything. Great. Give me a second to tap.
Allez, c'est parti. Putain.
All right. A little more tricky.
Sure, take your time.
Shh. I need quiet.
Merde, c'est quoi ça? Oh! Ok.
Oh, fuck.
What? What is it?
Antivirus. There you are.
Wow. Mais il met déjà si j'arrive pas sans rien, alors si on rajoute des trucs, ça va pas le faire. Hein.
Where the hell is he?
I can't see him from this camera. Let me try to get another one online.
D'ailleurs, c'est reparti pour un tour. On n'a pas peur. Non, pas là. Putain, je sais pas par où. Allez. Il va me courir après, il va me courir après.
Shit.
J'aurais pas dû. J'aurais dû aller tout droit. J'aurais dû aller tout droit.
Don't you mess with me.
Elle panique, elle a un peu peur. Fous la pression. Oh putain.
That wasn't so hard, was it?
He's heading your way.
Invisigal, I got a plan.
Waouh. J'ai un plan, moi? Putain, j'ai un plan. Est-ce qu'il y a un chemin pieux que ça? Merde. Ah, c'est un cul-de-sac! C'est un cul-de-sac!
Fuck you. Got it. On the count of 3, I'm going to turn on the main overhead lights, which should temporarily blind him.
Je vais flipper.
1, 2, 3.
Merde. Vas-y, étrangle avec les bijoux de la couronne.
I'm no hero. Fuck, no, let me try that again. Now you see me? Wait, what about lights out, Thundercuck?
That's the one. Would have been better if you said it first.
Right, because lightning, thunder, struck, cookbook, so close.
Yes, je suis contente. Oui. Ta-da-da-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Super.
Hey, Bengal bitch boy, fuck you!
Voilà, ça commence à s'aimer un peu là.
Isn't this what you were going for?
Yeah, but I didn't think it would work. I don't get it.
So, this one keeps the comm line one-on-one. This one connects to the whole team. And this one goes out to the entire branch.
Fuck.
Good job. Yeah, you got off light. One dispatcher broadcast the details of his botched circumcision. HR nightmare. Did you mean all that? You really think she has a shot? All that stuff about fate sounded good, but I don't know if you were just saying what you thought she needed to hear.
Bah je mens pas moi, qu'est-ce que tu crois? Je suis pas ton gars, hein. Enfin ton ex.
Who they choose to be. If Invisigal wants this, she has to commit. It's too easy to quit when you're not good at something.
It's a steep learning curve.
On m'arrête pas d'être dernière par contre, hein. Cependant. Moi je mettrais le flambeau en dernier parce qu'il me saoule, mais...
So, it's between Sonar and Coop.
What? That's not no. Invisigal's still at the bottom of the board.
Oh, the one in the bullpen? That thing updates every hour. Invisigal moved up. Catching lightning struck really gave her a huge boost.
Bangle boy? Really?
The donut shop escape, slipping past Malevola, now the jewelry store, really bumped up the wanted levels.
It's like missing the free throw on purpose to get the putback.
Yeah, exactly. I don't watch football, but I get it. Look, I know I'm not supposed to play favorites here, but even if she was on the bottom, I'm not sure I'd have let you cut her.
That is a good thing she's not.
Yeah. So, these two are now tied for last place. Who do we cut? Sonar or Coop? It's your call.
Oh là là, faut vraiment que je vire quelqu'un là?
Coop. If I'm honest, she still feels a little...
Evil?
Yeah.
That's too bad.
Moi, Sonar, évidemment que je vais pas le toucher parce que j'adore Sonar. C'est mon préféré, évidemment que je vais pas le virer. Mais virer quelqu'un en vrai.
Great work today.
C'est bizarre de virer quelqu'un en vrai.
Coop, I'm sure you already know why I've asked you here.
You would be mistaken.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm letting you go. You're at the bottom of the leaderboards. I guess all those penalties for, you know, cutting people added up. I'm sorry.
But I cheered for Invisigal.
You did. I saw that. That was cool of you.
I only did that because I thought she was being cut.
Oh, that makes sense. A lot of sense.
Bah, okay.
Yeah, well, she snuck past you with the last dispatch.
Whoa!
That's, wow, look at that. That's very menacing. Well, thank you.
Sonar, avec sa petite tête là, évidemment que je vais pas le virer, il est trop mignon. Je le vire pas, il est adorable, en plus il est gentil quoi.
You accessorizing?
You could call it that.
Where'd you get that?
Coop. She left a souvenir for me after I cut her.
She threatening you, Robert.
I know. Trying to put a positive spin on it.
Hey, check it out. I've been doing some accessorizing myself.
Spoiling him.
Nonsense. Talk about it.
You ready to go?
Oh, il le mérite tellement. Oh, ma petite saucisse. Oh, trop mignon. Même si moi, je serais d'avis de garder tout le monde, mais bon.
I still would have cut you.
Well, no one fucking asked you, old man.
Lucky fucking for you.
Ouais, caresse le chien.
Thanks.
Ouais. Fais du bon boulot. Hop. Alors, les stats. Mais la majorité ont viré elle et pas évidemment, on va pas virer Sonar, c'est évident. Moi je voulais juste lui donner une chaise, hein, pas lui lancer une chaise. Non. Ah. Le Victor, hélas, il a... Ah, on peut envoyer le héros parfait, genre? Ok.